Okay, this is my living room. Okay, let's see, let's start here. Well, there's my boot that made it home perfect. It's got a Christmas cactus in it. And this wall's empty because it's going to have full-length glass windows in it. And there's going to be a window right there. And there's my lampshades that I brought home. And pretty flowers on my end tables. Oh, and there's the carpet that made it. Oh, and there's Teddy. The carpet that made it home with and there's my couch. And the other lamp in my recliner. And there's the pictures down there. I haven't got them hung up yet. And there's my love seat that I love so much. Okay, it's hard to get the whole room. And of course, you know, we got the fan up there with the new ceiling. And this is Papa's 55-inch TV that's flat screen. And see, these are the windows, the floor-to-ceiling windows. And as you can see, they're green. They're green glass, they're tinted. And that whole corner right there is going to have a window here, floor-to-ceiling, and a window here, floor-to-ceiling. Here. Ceiling. Okay, so that will look really cool. And this window will be a new window because that window's old. But like I said, there'll also be a window over here. But it's kind of hard to see. And there's the pretty floor. And so that's the living room. Okay, bye.